Well, I don't know if it's going to be worth it because there's a huge line, and we are really hungry. So, and Mitchell says it's small in there, so we're debating now on if we want to leave or stay and wait. Should we just go to a regular restaurant? Yeah, come back. So we're just gonna have to come back on a regular non-holiday weekend on a different Sunday because we have to go be on the road. So we'll go to a different locals joint. Where should we go? Should we go to
where there's no line?
I like the Asian place. What's that place called on Town Center?
No, it's Kabuki.
Kabuki. They have great.
Go to Asia Buffet. I don't know what they're doing today.
Oh yeah. Then we have the since we're doing buffets, we can go to Asia Buffet. That's a good idea. We'll try that.